Today we're focusing on the stainless steel worm drive lock, the key component of the wormdriveband system. Here's a closer look in hand. The lock is available in 9mm and 12mm widths. The internal worm mechanism grips the band as the screw is tightened, creating a secure, even clamping force all the way around. These locks are designed specifically for use with stainless steel worm drive band. And here's the band they're designed for: stainless steel worm drive band. It comes in two packaging options: a practical plastic dispenser and a standard cardboard box. To prepare a clamp, cut a length of band using stainless steel band scissors. Thread one end through the worm drive lock. Then fold it back over itself, by hand, or tap it down with a hammer for a clean, tight fold. Your clamp is ready. Now let's install it. Wrap the clamp around the pole and thread the free end through the lock. Pull it snug by hand to seat it correctly. Then take a screwdriver and tighten the lock screw. Keep turning until you feel solid resistance. The worm mechanism engages the band and locks it firmly in place. Once fully tightened, use the band scissors to trim the excess band flush. One clean cut, no sharp edges, no loose ends. To remove the clamp, simply unscrew the lock screw, release the band, and the lock is ready to use again on the next job.